everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can add bank details in Workday. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go ahead, access your Workday on your web browser. Simply type in workday.com. There you go, you will be able to land on their home page. Afterwards, simply go to this profile icon on top right corner of the section and simply get signed in. Then you will be able to access the settings regarding your account, which includes this option of a pay below the compensation. All you have to do is tap on this pay, and on top you will have two options called pay slips and payment elections. By default it will be on pay slips. Go ahead, choose the payment election. Then you will get to this interface as it is showing over here. Now here in the section you can see we already have one account information right there over there, and we have this option of edit or remove. One thing we can do, we can simply choose to tap on this edit, and we can re-edit our particular information as existing. Simply do the changes as we require for the new one. Otherwise I can choose to remove. The information will be removed, and by bottom you can see the add option as well. You can tap on this add. Once you tapped on this add option, you will be able to access this particular interface where it includes this account information slip, where you have to enter the account nickname, BSP number, bank name, bank identification code, account type, account number, name on account. And then once you enter the correct information, you will be able to find this OK option below. Tap on it. There you go. You can go back and see your account listed over there. So that is a simple way for you to either change, remove, or add your account on Workday. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.